Right through these double doors? Hey, appreciate it. Team, I see you've already beat me to the new auditorium. Take a look around. Pretty spectacular. It is a massive facility, state of the art. Everything that we need is inside of this room for us to knock out more problems, to reach a higher level of understanding of the built environment around us. And that is what this team is all about. I'm glad every single one of you has stayed put in your virtual seats, obviously. That just shows that this is a tight-knit group that I am so proud of while I go through this transitional period of figuring out the next steps to elevate this channel and this team. So I appreciate everything everyone has done to date so far, which is do absolutely nothing. And that's okay. Let's all remember that in the background, engineering is more than just problem solving. There's more than just sitting down and knocking out problems, knocking out solutions to problems. There's more to it than that. There's doing stuff like exactly like we just did here in the background. Securing funding, securing partnerships, getting Team Kestava into a facility just like this so that we can advance faster, more quickly, better, and ultimately become better engineers. And not just better engineers, a whole different breed of engineers, of problem solvers, of thinkers and doers. So I've taken the little hand signature pieces of paper that people have stuck to their previous seats in the old auditorium. Don't worry, I took them all. I took all whatever, 2,000 plus of you, because y'all did it, I know, especially Jose. And I'm about to tack them up with these seats back here, exactly where everybody likes their seat. I can smell the popcorn now. I don't know if you guys can see. We unfortunately don't have those leather seats, but looks like we got that fine Egyptian cotton, and that's no joke. So buckle in. I just wanted to stop in to show you the progress that we're making. This team and this channel is not stagnant. We're not standing still. We're moving forward every step of the way. And while it might seem like a lull right now, trust me, I'm doing everything in my power to get everybody right back on track. I'll see you all soon with some more updates. This is Rich with Team Kestava. Later. Jose, what are you doing here? Were you just picking the lock to the auditorium? How did you find this place already? Do you follow me? Get out. Would you get out of here?